We are headed over to David Johnson's house. He's the winner of the ugliest garage door competition in Utah. We just ran a promotion on Facebook, had a lot of entries. Hormann, one of our local distributors, is amazing. They are providing us with the garage door to give away. We'll get him thinking that he's in the running, and then we'll let him know that he's the winner. And all right, so we're approaching David's house. I'm excited to see how ugly this thing is. David?
Yeah.
Ryan Roll with APlusGarageDoors. How you doing?
Good. How
This
you
is
doing?
Hey, I'm Parker.
Hey.
So recently we did a Facebook post for one of the ugliest garage doors in Utah.
Yeah.
You submitted. We've narrowed it down to 5 houses.
Uh-huh.
So we're here today just to kind of talk to you. You mind showing us your door?
Sure. Yeah. Let's check it out.
Yeah, let's take a look at it.
We'll see if it's worthy in person.
You know, I did my part.
Oh no.
I got a sick dog, but yeah, this is it.
Oh yeah, that's a beat up door, that's for sure.
So like I stated earlier, we've narrowed it down to 5 people. And we just showed up today to let you know that you're the winner.
What?
You're the winner.
Holy crap, really?
Congratulations.
I never win anything.
Yeah.
Wow, I never win anything, you know, and this garage door right here, I have a whole vocabulary of cuss words
Yeah.
that I save explicitly for this thing to get this thing coupled down. It's absolutely amazing. So.
We can also lube up your other door for you while we're here and make sure that thing's running good for you.
Once it comes in, we'll give you calls and get on the schedule.
Awesome, fantastic. I can't wait. I can't wait to see what it's like afterwards.
Well, congratulations again.
Hey, thank you.
Thanks for letting us come out.
Ryan and Parker.
Parker, yep.
Yeah. Thank
Okay.
you so much. Yeah.
All right.
We'll be in touch.
You would be